Drivers behind your lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
And away they go. We have all 6 robots on both sides moving in auto. Looks like we've got some scores there from the Blue Alliance, from the Hitchhikers and Slice. Meanwhile, on the Red Alliance side, doesn't look like anyone's managed to get any coral on the reef yet, but that can definitely change when teleop starts. All the robots are in good position to pick up some coral and get scoring. We have Ram zooming over to the blue side of the field to play some immediate defense, going to prevent the Hitchhikers and Slice from getting those pieces of coral and firing them up onto the reef. Magnesium looking to get one of those coral pieces into the trough. Meanwhile, we have a robot tipped over midfield. Sorin seems to have completely gone on its head. That doesn't look like they're going to be able to be knocked over. They might be staying in there for the rest of the game. Hopefully their robot's not damaged. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, we have the Hitchhikers trying and just about missing to get that piece of coral up onto the high score platform, but there are 3 pieces pending 4, still 3, just a narrow miss there. On the Red Alliance side, we've got Pit Pirates putting a 3rd piece of coral up on the top row of the reef and heading right back over to get another one. 2 more pieces of coral on the top row of the reef for the Blue Alliance side. Now that there's less defense being played on them, but there's definitely still some opposition there for one of those human player stations. Slice is trying to line up to get another piece of coral up on the top, as is their opponent. Pit Pirates nail one onto the top of the coral reef, making 4 points up top for the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance side, there's not many spaces left on that top row of the reef. They're filling up very fast as Hitchhikers and Slice work hard to cycle back and forth from the human player station, grabbing coral, lifting up, and putting it up there. They did manage to knock one off just there, though, but it's okay. They replaced it with 2 more. Magnesium loyally putting some coral into the lower goal there, cycling back and forth. Meanwhile, Ram is playing some heavy defense on them, preventing them from moving fluidly back and forth from their human player stations. Another near miss there from Slice, the Blue Alliance, unfortunately, and Pit Pirates getting another piece of coral up on the top. They are working pretty much solo to score these pieces of coral as their alliance partner plays defense, and the other one, Sorin, is unfortunately still upended. With 20 seconds to go, now is the time to try and climb. Unfortunately, one of the red robots is tipped over in the blue area. That's going to cause some problems for these blue robots as they try and get up and climb and into that barge zone for scoring. We've got 1 red robot in there. 2 of the robots trying to get up. Can Slice get their wheels off the ground and stay there? Doesn't look like they've made it, unfortunately. This match goes to the Blue Alliance, with 41 points to Blue's 86. The Blue Alliance leaves this match with 4 ranking points.